Hey, what's going on, guys? And yes, today we are back with another OLILZ'S video, and today we're going to be doing an interesting challenge that I did before, and I thought, let's just do it in modern day. So we're going to be doing vending machine only, so this means I can only buy and use weapons from vending machines. So if you guys enjoy, make sure to go ahead and hit like on this video, and we're so close to 100 subscribers if we haven't hit it whilst this video is being published. I appreciate you guys so much. Let's go ahead and get in the video. And vending machine. This one looks like a epedemic. Yes. I'm gonna go with the combat because the combat AR is generally better. Try and pick that up. There's no point of searching chests as well. I have to buy my heals. I have to buy everything. Get absolutely deleted though. The only thing I'm not going to have to buy is ammo and obviously materials, but we're not in building mode. But first, a pistol. Because I'm doing my Doctor Strange challenges as well. It's like the most gold I've ever spent this season. Anyway, I'm spending more gold. What's that? What's a cow catcher? Why is a cow catcher floating? Let's buy 2 of those. Now we're shielded. Technically, I'm going to say no to buying that dude because I'm not buying him in a minute. So I use AI to try and get my pistol usage. Being a botter. There we go. There's another dude who'd like to field the wrath. We just need 100 more damage and then we're done. Now I'm done. That should be the challenge done. Only heal I'm going to allow myself to use is a shield kit because you can't get those from vending machines. Like, not from vending machines. That's only heal, not from vending machines. I'm allowed. There we go. Oh, how do I want to pick that loot up? Question is, do I do it? And the question is, yes. No, I do not do it. That would have cost me 10 gold. Oh my god, get destroyed by a pistol. I'm shotgun vending machine. $250 during a match. Don't like that. Oh, there is, oh god, enemies. Why are you hiding in there? It's an awkward fight. There we go. That was the most awkward fight ever. Damn bush. There we go. Player down. Oh no! Oh, there you shoot the whole thing. Yeah, I should have gone down there. Just drink some shields. It'll be alright. There's this dude. Oh, buddy, you got outsmarted. There you go. GG. I'm going back in the bush. Never mind. GG. It's only a bot. 10 OLILZ'S, let's go. Let's So, if so, no, this is recording now. There we go. It's a rubbish bloom to start. Oh, mistake, buddy. I shouldn't push. I really shouldn't push, but oh, buddy. It's not even worth shooting because it's not fun. Dares to shoot V. Right, let's go. This is two. I know it's around here somewhere. Tree should hit tell me. That's where he is. Right, pal. Sneak up behind. He's not going to be expecting this. Can't build, buddy. It's got a bad idea. This also could be a really bad idea. That was almost a really bad idea. And I say it's time to get out of there. I'd say it's the perfect time to use a shield keg on these things. Oh, why? Why da? Right, I've got to remember I can use this revolver. Just pop this and then I'll do it again. Well, goodbye, NPC. You're my friend now, so don't need to worry about you. Oh, that would be so nice to take. But rules are rules. So there's someone in that bush there. That supply drop spawn is actually alright. I've got next zone. Thing which I don't like about the pit, it's not very covered at all. So there's a player down there. If only I had a sniper. There's one down there. Should I send the boulder after that dude? No, that doesn't. I send boulder. I have no clue where that came from. Where's this coming from? Ah, here. That dude was good. Well done. No one down. Right. Next one. That. It's worth it, it's in the overshield. But now that lock puts a thing in his plum. So he's going up there. Actually a really bad position this. Come straight in the middle of the firing line and I haven't got any cover. I'd love to pick up that sniper. But I did not find sniper vending machine, and rules are rules. I'll just teach that guy a bit of a lesson. Always check behind you, dude. Always check behind you. Number 1 rule. You also need to learn to look up cover. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Juice Dad, use this last shield barrier. Someone's pushed up. How? How could that dude see me? Oh, because you can see where the gunfire's coming from. Yeah, I don't like my chances there. Gosh, that's not good. 16-0 in game. Someone's got caught behind me. Where's this dude moving to? Smells like dude's gone. So I'm gonna kill that dude. Rubbish bloom. And that's GG, guys. Second attempt, we managed to do the random vending machine challenge. If you do enjoy, smash that like button, make sure to hit subscribe, and even consider using code OLILZ. That is the video, guys.